Hi everyone, wanted to give you all an update of Tunnel 5, which is one of the polytunnels on the site that was destroyed recently. So, as you may or may not know, we've got 8 crop tunnels on the site. This was Tunnel 5. And these tunnels, most of the tunnels have been here for a good 10 plus years. So, as you can imagine, with the plastic covered polytunnels, over time the plastic does degrade. Which is to be expected. So we do find ourselves patching up tunnels fairly frequently. You can get special tape for that, or sometimes we're fixing the wooden struts. So some of the older tunnels have some wooden fixings as opposed to metal. So you can see the arches are metal, but some of the fixings down towards the floor in the older tunnels are wood, which again degrades quicker. The problem that we're having is because a lot of the tunnels are the same age, they're all starting to go at around the same time. But this is the first one to go completely. Coupled with obviously the worsening winter storm seasons that we seem to be getting in the UK. Storm Darragh was the final straw for us. This is Storm Darragh's doing behind me. And Storm Ewan, I think it was, which was the most recent, touch wood, we've been okay. We did do a lot of other emergency repairs on various tunnels across the site when we knew Storm Ewan was on its way. But so far this is the main damage of the season, and I hope it remains that way. So we had, before the roof was ripped off, there were guajillo and Buchalokia chilies in this tunnel. And it was our final harvest, our kind of final harvest crop of the season. We weren't expecting, by the time of Storm Darragh, anything else to come through. But we had a lot of chilies still on the bushes in here, which as soon as the roof went overnight, they get ruined immediately. The other thing, which is important to mention about these tunnels, is because of their age, they're not insurable. So unfortunately we can't claim on insurance to replace this tunnel. So yeah, Storm Darragh came along in the middle of the night, ripped the roof off, and Izzy, our horticulturalist, came in the morning, saw the bare tunnel, could not find the roof for quite a long time, and discovered it eventually. It was in the hedge all the way down at the end of the site. So she did eventually locate the plastic and hadn't completely flown away. So now the fun begins. So Amrit spent quite a lot of time tracking down a polytunnel repair specialist. We have found someone fairly local, which is great. He started ordering bits of metal have been arriving on site ready for him. So as well as replacing the plastic, he is going to replace where there were wooden fixings. They will be replaced with metal, which is the more modern way of building polytunnels now, and obviously a bit more resilient as well against, the damp soil that it's touching. So he'll be doing that work over the next couple of weeks, and we've also got the tractor coming next week to start ploughing the tunnels to get them ready for this year's crops. So Tractor Man may have to come back and do a separate job for Tunnel 5, depending on how quick or slow the polytunnel gets put back together, but we shall see. So wish us luck with the journey. We will give you an update once a nice shiny new Tunnel 5 is up in place of the skeleton that you see before us. And we're actually going to kickstart, as a result of this experience, a programme of more permanent repairs across the tunnels on the rest of the site. I mean, we knew it needed to be done, but this has clearly shown we need to crack on with that. So we'll be trying to repair what we can, and maybe also do some more full replacements of plastic on some of the tunnels over coming seasons, because we need all the growing capacity that we've got now. We added in a big tunnel, which is fab, before the 2024 growing season, but it quickly got filled up with all the chilies, because we all love chilies. Everyone wants more and more. So we want to put soup pots in Tunnel 5 in 2025, and we need lots of space for soup pots because everybody loves Carolina Reaper. So that's the plan for this tunnel. So yeah, as I say, wish us luck. We'll keep you posted with the progress of this tunnel repair, and hopefully in a couple of weeks' time from now it'll be looking pristine. And please, weather gods, be nice to us, don't send too many more high wind storms to the south of Devon. Thank you.